Hello, online moneymakers. Check this out. A YouTube channel called Hybrid Family is racking up over 30 million views per month with hybrid animal videos. According to their social blade, they've earned $36,000 in just the last 14 days. Those numbers are jaw-dropping, aren't they? Now let's zoom in on a smaller success story. A channel called VS Zoo. In just 7 months, they've gained 50,000 subscribers by tapping into the same niche with similar content. What's clear here is that both big and small players are growing in this space, signaling huge potential for newcomers to break in. Here's the big question. How do you create these eye-catching, unique videos? I've dug deep, done the research, and cracked the code on the best way to produce them using AI. And the best part? I'm sharing all this knowledge with you for free. All I ask in return is a quick like and subscribe to make this content to reach more people. If you're ready to jump in, let's get started. First, we'll create prompts for our productions. Looking at the examples, we see hybrid animals formed by combining two animals. For this, it makes sense to request one prompt for the hybrid animal and a separate prompt for the two animals that make it up. I've prepared a prompt like this. In the first part of the prompt, I want a detailed description of the hybrid animals. 5 different ones in total. In the second part, I want the two animals that form the hybrid to be depicted separately so they appear distinct, like in the example. Then, we'll combine these scenes to show transformations. I'll use this prompt directly in ChatGPT. As you can see, our prompts are ready. Let's check the first one. Yes, a hybrid made from an eagle and a lion turned out quite successful. Now, let's review the prompt where they're depicted separately. Yes, this one is also very detailed and nicely done. For example, these first 2 prompts are suitable. I'll quickly check the others too. Yes, they all look good. Now we can proceed to the production stage. Now, we'll create our visuals using the prompts we've prepared. For this, I'll use the Leonardo AI application. You probably know this app. For those who don't, I'll leave a link below. Here, I click on Launch, then go to the Image Creation section and add a hybrid prompt I prepared earlier. Let me tell you about some settings. You can choose the format here. I'm selecting mobile because we'll use these on mobile platforms. You can decide how many images to generate and their quality. I'm prioritizing quality here. There are different models available. For this project, I'm using the Phoenix robot, which is Leonardo AI's original engine. After quickly setting things up, I start the generation process. As you can see, they look pretty good. A combination of a lion and an eagle. I'll generate one more. Yes, this one's also very detailed and looks great. We can use it like this. Similarly, let's generate an image where the eagle and lion appear separately. Yes, I like these 2 images. This time, I like the first ones it produced, so using this image and this image, I can prepare my first scene. I'll keep generating the other scenes in the same way. Now we're at one of the most fun parts. We'll animate the scenes we've created. To do this, let's first download one of our images to the computer as an example. I'm downloading this to my computer. Then I'll switch to the Hailuo application. I'll leave the app's link below too. This app animates images and offers 100 credits daily with its free membership. Here, I click the Try Now button. I'm re-uploading the file we just downloaded. There's a prompt section here. You can write the motion you want, or you can choose from some pre-made motions the app provides. I'll use one of these ready-made options. Alright, let's see how our scene turned out. It looks really nice. It truly captures the underwater and sunlit motion with a beautiful shimmering effect. I'll animate the other scenes in the same way. In this step, we'll combine the scenes we've created to make a video. I'm using CapCut for this. I'll download the files, pick some music, and put the scenes together. I'll add the scenes in this order. First the animals separately, then the hybrid animal appearing. For the transformation between the animals, I'll use a transition effect called turntable. When moving to the next animal, I'll use the comparison transition effect. I'm doing a very simple edit here. You could add captions, sound effects, or even a voiceover with a story if you want. Now, let's see how our production looks. Even with a pretty basic edit, I think it's eye-catching. With a few small additions, it could reach a publishable quality. New channels in this niche are booming, and keeping an eye on them can help you enter the market at the right time. But how do you spot these rising channels? Don't worry, I'll walk you through some examples now. AI Studio ZXC, 1-year-old channel attracting nearly 2 million views per month. Eye or Nature, also 1-year-old, attracting 500,000 views per month. Hotendo Originals, less than 1-year-old, attracting 500,000 views per month. Take a close look at these channels. Analyze what makes them successful, replicate their strengths, and improve on their weaknesses. This approach will help you break into the niche effectively. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments. It motivates me big time. Your support helps this content reach more people like you. Next, I recommend checking out my video on content creation in the kids niche.